Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Moving your Thunderbird emails to a new computer is a simple process that keeps your messages, folders, and settings perfectly intact. You do not need to export individual emails because the entire user profile can be copied at once. First, open Thunderbird on your old computer. Click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top corner. Go to Help and select Troubleshooting Information from the list. Under the Application Basics section, find the Profile Folder row and click Open Folder. This opens your File Explorer directly to your specific profile data. Now, close the Thunderbird application completely. Go back one level in your File Explorer so you see a folder named Profiles. Copy the entire folder named Profiles and another file called Profiles.ini to a USB drive or your preferred cloud storage. Next, go to your new computer and install Thunderbird, but do not open it yet. If you already opened the app, close it now. Locate the Thunderbird data folder on the new machine. On Windows, press the Windows key and R, then type %appdata%\Thunderbird and hit Enter. You will see a Profiles folder and a Profiles.ini file there. Delete these existing items and paste the folder and file you copied from your old computer. When you open Thunderbird on the new computer, all your emails, accounts, and passwords will be exactly where you left them. This method works for both Windows and Mac systems. It saves you the trouble of setting up every account from scratch. Your transition is now complete and your daily workflow remains uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.